Hi, how you doing? I make this video because my car middle pipe have been torn apart. It's on a separate one, and you know, it's a big hole, and I mean, I need to replace it actually, but you know, I got the help from this guy, that guy, this guy, and this guy. Here, what happened? Before you turn on this thing, you have to wear the safety glass. It's okay, but just to be safe on the safe side, wear goggle. You don't need the fancy one. You can just use the regular safety glass. You know, I snap this on, put the soap on, check for the leak. To turn it on, it's to the left here. Unlock it, and I'll put the valve on the to the left. Don't force anything. Just turn on. When it's done, it's done. Don't force it. Okay. When you turn this thing on, this one gonna self-ignite. So you see, click here. See the flame. You lock it. Click this one, and now you can release this. Now you can adjust the flame here. I hope you can see it. It's very strong. When you're done, you turn this thing off and you put the valve back on to off. Okay, and put it in a lock mode, so that way no one can see that. It's very hot. Don't try to use propane though. Propane gas is not working, so I bought this guy. TS8000 is very good one. You can do welding job on this one too. Map gas is the best. You can put this head burner on the propane gas too. What I did is my middle pipe have a hole on it, very big hole. I mean, actually the pipe is separate from each other. It's inside here, so very rusty part. I can't take it off. So I use this for burn. Less than a minute. I burn this all 6 bolts. You see that? After I burn it, I use the screwdriver and kind of like a plier to remove it out, force it out. So after I force it out, I use this thing called heat wrap, and it's worked very well. Trust me, it's hardened like steel, as advertised. It worked perfectly fine. What I did is put submerged in this room temperature. They have instructions. Just follow the instruction. Put this thing on the you know, in the room temperature. After that, wrap around the area 6 times on the brake, and 2 or 3 inches around that area. After that, you use a foil to wrap it on again. I show you here. I didn't get the money from the Benzomatic, also the heat wrap thing, but you know, this guy worked very well. So I'll show you here. You see my middle pipe is broken. After I remove the bolt, I put this thing on, and it's hardened like steel. And this guy, now I put this thing on here too, because there's a hole leak on the gasket. Instead, I replace it with the 120, 150, but I have to remove everything, so it is give me easier job. In order to seal this thing, I need to remove the you see the pipe holder here. This one is well on this side. I removed this thing on. You know what I did? I burned it with the Benzomatic map gas, and after that I put the candle on top of it. The candle melt instantly into the nut thread here, and after that I put the WD40. I spray the WD40 on it, and I leave it for 2 minutes. I remove it with this bolt extractor. It's worked very well for me. In my case is the I mean, put it this way. If you have to remove the 13, let's see, a 13 one. I mean the size of the bolt is the 13. I try to use the 14 one first. And because you have a rusty part, you won't fit it in. So this is the bolt extractor, specialized from the Harbor Freight too. Again, I don't get the money from there too. This thing is work. Propane is like $50. Plus tax will be like almost close to $60 US. This guy, like with the discount, you got like around $22. And you just need the flat head screwdriver and also the some kind of plier to remove the and a heat wrap is like $12 for each, so I bought the 2 of them online. It's worked very well, guys. And now I'm done with this. I'm gonna get this car inspection because it's gonna pass the test. There's no more leak on the exhaust pipe. My next project is to remove the middle pipe of the car. We use this guy to burn the to heat up the bolt. Put the candle on right on top of the nut, and after that spray with the WD40. Don't spray the WD40 before you burn it, because you would turn the nut on fire. You don't like it, okay? So burn it first, put the candle on, and spray it after the candle with the WD40. So let it sit for 5 minutes. After that, try to remove with the bolt extractor.